Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create professional training videos with Synthesia and make your learning content clear, engaging, and easy to follow. First, open Synthesia and create a new video project. Before starting, prepare your training script and organize the information into simple sections. A clear structure will help your audience understand the lesson more easily. Next, choose an AI avatar that fits your training topic. For professional training content, select an avatar with a clear and approachable presentation style. Now, choose an AI voice that is easy to understand. A natural and professional voice can make longer training videos more comfortable for viewers to watch. After selecting your avatar and voice, start adding your script to each scene. Keep each scene focused on one main point, instead of putting too much information on a single screen. You can then add images, videos, text, shapes, and other visual elements to support your explanation. Use visuals whenever they can make a difficult concept easier to understand. For example, if you're creating employee training, you can use separate scenes for introductions, instructions, examples, important reminders, and final steps. Next, organize the scenes in a logical order. Start with the basic information, explain the process step by step, and finish with a short summary or conclusion. You can also add subtitles to make your training content easier to follow, especially for viewers watching without sound. After building your video, preview every scene carefully. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, text, and visuals. Make sure the information is accurate and that the narration matches what appears on the screen. If a scene feels too long or complicated, consider breaking it into smaller sections. You can also create multiple training videos instead of putting an entire course into one long video. Short, focused lessons can make the learning experience easier to manage. Once everything looks correct, generate your final video and export or share it with your learners, employees, students, or team members.